and there right there is someone, if you can see him. Hey guys, this is Harshula. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be giving a makeover to my balcony, and I'm also going to be decorating it for Diwali, and hopefully you'll also get some ideas as to how you can decorate your balcony for this Diwali. So yeah, I'm actually really super excited for this Diwali. I don't know why, but I really am. I'm just happy that I'm getting to spend it with my family. Usually during Diwali I go visit my relatives or something like that, but this has been really truly, you know, for our loved ones who are like really close to us, that's family. So I'm really excited and looking forward to this Diwali. Also don't mind, there's a lot of chaos going on in my house right now because we are like deep cleaning the house. By that I mean just this room and my kitchen and the balcony. A lot of you guys usually ask me about my house tour. My house isn't ready yet, like entirely, and I don't want to show you something that I'm not ready for. So it would be like, I would really appreciate if you guys don't ask me every now and then in the comment section about house tour. Whenever that happens, I'm going to be the first one to tell you guys that come in and see, and this is what my house looks like. So yeah, I'm just not ready, and yeah, whatever, because I feel like it's going to take a lot of time. I need to find pieces, I need to do things. So let's see. I did plan on doing that this year, but you know how it has been this entire year. So maybe next year definitely you will see a house tour. So yeah, just give me some time. But for now we are going to be decorating and just giving a makeover to my balcony. I am going to be keeping it I will try and keep it under 1500 rupees. Like I've tried to keep it under 1500 rupees. Okay, yesterday I found this person who was kind enough to come visit, because right now there aren't a lot of laborers available, right? So he came and I got few things done here and there, and I will insert a clip right here for you guys to see that. So this is the before of my balcony. I know it looks really dirty. Okay, but I can explain. The reason why it's so ganda is because all my plants are like niche, and whenever I water them with the extra water, soil also comes down. So that is why it's so dirty. And I do, like, I swear on my mom, I do clean this. But yeah, it's still, it just gets dirty every time I water my plants. So yeah, for that reason I really wanted to hang my plants up, and I also wanted, like, I think balcony looks really nice when you have like hanging plants, or I think plants just like make anything and everything better. So add more plants. Okay, so only this much is my balcony. I don't even know how much is this, but yeah, it's just this much. Okay, so this is the thing that I had earlier inside, right? So I just put this here so that I can put diyas in it. So this is something that I obviously had at my house, but if you want, you can definitely get this from Amazon or something like this. You can even get the normal stand where you can put your diyas. So this I think I got it last year. I got the entire set for 700 rupees, so I'm not too sure, but yeah, let's just say this was for 200 rupees because I have like maybe 5 things. Yeah, so yeah, now here, yeah, cameraman please, here I have these things, these hooks which I got drilled yesterday. Per drill I think it costed me about 25 rupees. I got 5 of them, so that's like, someone do the math.
120 125
125 rupees for that. So far we have spent about 325 rupees, right? Yeah, and plants we obviously have ghar pe. The first thing that we need to do, and I think you all yeah guys, that's what happens when you like shoot outdoors. There's just like too much noise, like cars passing by, dogs barking. Anyway, the first thing that we are going to do and is on our plan of action is to clean this thing. Like, we really need to clean this thing. So let's get started. tired. You can tell by my avatar. I don't look that great.
अर्ध काम में झालेलं.
Yeah, and we have just like by now we have just like finished cleaning the balcony. That's all that we have done, and right now we are making these things. Look, so I have this idea in my mind. Okay, I don't want to like disturb. I don't want to like ruin it. Samat ne itne mehnat se banaya hai, so I don't want to do that. But what I'm trying to say is like we are right now doing this, and uske baad I'll put this up. And just so much to do in the balcony area, but yeah, and right now I'm just like we are waiting for it to dry up completely so that we can actually go and yeah, decorate it. So okay, please don't mind how dirty my floor looks, but I saw this one thing on Pinterest and I'm trying to like recreate it sort of with these lights. So Samat there, he's doing that, and don't mind his tanned feet, like how it looks. So yeah, we are right now doing this, and yeah, this is how my room looks like right now. And that thing is so that we can cover up the white bed sheet. Like I don't want that to like get all ruined, so this is okay. Update so far, that's what my balcony looks like, and he's eating right now. And yeah, still pretty dirty everything. So that makes our total, how much is it? That was
325.
325 plus 300 is 725. I've spent
625.
what we are doing right now is actually like a 2-day thing. Like the balcony thing can easily be done in like 2 days, but I really want to pull it off in a day. Yeah, right now just in like 2 hours, and I hope that I'm able to. Okay, so I got these flowers for 160 rupees. These are 1 kg है ना, है 1 kilo है ना, हाँ. So 1 kg flowers for 160 rupees. Okay, so my mom is making this haar which I am going to put outside. So this is what my mom made right now, and now I'm just going to like hang it right here and on that side maybe. We just did this. I don't know if you guys can see, but we just put the mala right there on both the ends, and I think it looks really nice. Okay, so I'm preparing this table. I've put these 2 candles from Miniso and also put some dry fruits just to snack on, and then yeah, I'm just like decorating it with some flowers. Done. So I also put like the mala right here. We have finally completed this thing, but I don't know how it's going to turn out. This is just something that I saw. I also put this thing that was inside. This is just the macrame plant holder that I had inside, so I've just put that right there. And then here I have my hanging plants, all of them. So I put like 2 of them there and then 2 of them here. How I wish I had like more pothos, so I would have just put them right here. This one is just khali, which is just fine I think. And for now that bulb is on. Abhi niche ka we are still about to do. So yeah, that is what we have done so far. Also here are all the diyas that I just made, and yeah, now I'm just going to like light it up, and that should be good. This thing is not going in, and we are like freaking out because yeah, we just don't know what to do. So yeah, so yeah, everything is done, but we are just not able to figure out the connection. So now we are going to go, so now we are just going to go and get like another wire that we can put it right here. Yeah, and then I think it should be good. I'm so excited to see this because we have been working on it since 5 o'clock and abhi jaake hua hai. Like we have used like 5 lightings, like 5 different things, and so much has gone into it. So like I mean, so much of mehnat has gone into it, so I'm super excited to see how that is going to turn out. This video is definitely the video that has taken me, actually yesterday's video was also tough. Such a crazy project, and because I think we are trying to pull it off in a day. It can be easily done in like 2 days. yeah, because I have to post every single day and I'm on a time crunch. Yeah, I'm just like pushing myself really hard, but I'm super excited with how it's looking so far. So yeah, let's go. So I'm going to, is this my, yeah, I'm going to take my white bed sheet and I'm just going to like you know, put it right there. If you have like gadi or something like that, वो होता है ना single bed, अगर extra है तो you can put it, but मेरे पास नहीं है. I'm going to take my tree, put it right here. I'm going to take my pillows. If you have extra, that's great. You can just put them. Okay, so I got this last year. I'm just going to put it right there. So far, this is how it's been looking. Okay, so अभी सब तो हमने लगा दिया है, लाइक फाइनली. वहाँ पे भी फर्स्ट थॉट कि वहाँ पे लगाएंगे, बट वो हो रहा नहीं था हमसे, तो अभी या दिस इज़ व्हाट वी हैव डन. ओके, सो आई एम गोना स्टार्ट. गणपति बप्पा मोरया मोरया. Oh my god, it happened! Not have the extension and everything, so this has taken us a lot of time and I'm so happy with how beautiful it has turned out. And I don't even need like a lantern as such. This is how my balcony is gonna look like for Diwali. And yeah, I'll give you a proper tour as to what I have done. And Samad's eating and you can see him, but yeah, so this is how it looks when like nothing is on, like no lights whatsoever, and this is just my balcony. I think this would be such a cozy spot to celebrate Diwali with friends. I know my balcony isn't like as huge, but I think I can easily fit in like 3 people. So yeah, I think it looks beautiful. So right here I have this Erica palm which I had inside, so I just kept it outside, and here I've put my macrame plant holder. Then this thing has taken us a lot of time. These are just like white lights. I think I have 5 of them up there, and these are my hanging plants. So whatever plants I had, I just put it right across. And then these are like really pretty diyas that Samad got last year, so I've just like reused them. And for this table, so this is the table that I got from Amazon, and I've put like a bunch of flowers, like gende ka phool, and these are just 2 candles that are from Miniso. This is like a dry fruit bowl that my mom made. My dad usually gets like these Diwali sweets or like you know, dry fruits for Diwali, and just put that. And this is my white bed sheet. These are just my cushions. I've put them. And yeah, again gende ke phool ka we made these malas. Put one there, and then one is right behind me. And yahan pe the box, I put like diyas into it, and uske baaju mein I have a candle. And यहाँ पे I got this in some PR package, तो वो वहाँ पे लगा दिया मैंने. And yeah, right here we also have another plant. The rug that I had earlier in front of my mirror, I've just like repurposed it, and I've kept it here with again like 2 cushions. And yeah, I think it looks gorgeous. Like, oh my god, I know today is not Diwali. Diwali is in like 2 days, but I am obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed. So guys, this is how the makeover looks like, and I am in love. And I've just made a mom and Samad sit right there, so that, you know, I wanted them to like kinda model for me, so that I can take like good b-rolls. I can't wait for Diwali to be here actually, so that we can recreate this. And then my dad also would be here, and I'm so excited to like click pictures with my parents. And yeah, if you have a space like this, even if it's like chota, like mine is very small, okay, I don't even know how small this is, like you know, to tell. Yeah, दो फुट भी नहीं होगा, but yeah, I really like इतनी छोटी जगह में the way it looks. I think it's all about just making sure that everything looks good. It's not about how big or small your space is. I have seen so many videos wherein the spaces are really small, but it's just about how they have done up their space. So yeah, I really like how this has turned out. I really hope that you guys got some inspiration. If it did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like right now there's no light, okay, and यहाँ का tube light and everything is off, and it's just this light. And yeah, I'm so happy that whatever I imagined, or just my vision, you know, I feel really good that it looks so beautiful. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It has taken me a lot of time, so you better really do enjoy this video. And yeah, that being said, I will definitely see you next time, probably 2 more videos, and then we are done. It has been a great experience this year, like with the Diwalok series.